Hello, today I'll be making the easy honey butter chicken. If you're new to our channel, please click subscribe for new video notifications. Today I'm using 4 pounds of chicken. My family prefers dark meat, so I'm using thighs and legs. You'll need 10 or more roasted garlic cloves. If you want to see how to roast garlic cloves, click the link above where I roast garlic in my tomato and garlic soup video. Next, you will need 1/2 cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or balsamic vinegar, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sage, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And your final ingredient is 3/4 cup of chicken stock or broth. In a large bowl, take your seasonings and completely coat all of your chicken. You're going to have to get your hands dirty, but you want to get all of your chicken seasoned. In a deep skillet, add your olive oil and all of your butter until it's melted. Now that your butter is melted, add your seasoned chicken to your hot skillet and let it cook while making sure you turn it often. Once your chicken is about 3/4 of the way cooked, add roasted garlic, chicken broth, vinegar, then coat all of your chicken in your honey. Let the chicken finish cooking on a medium simmer and your sauce will thicken up nicely, looking something like this. My family loves chicken and we're always looking at new ways to prepare it, so please share your favorite chicken dish in the comments with me below. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please click like and subscribe, and don't forget to friend me on Facebook. And thanks again for watching.